What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to break down if it is still a good idea to sell products on Amazon in 2022, or if you're watching this video after 2022, this video is for you. All right, so a lot of people have been asking me, hey Pat, is it still worth it to sell on Amazon? I hear it's way too competitive, way too saturated, and it's very hard to do well on Amazon. Now, just like everything in life, there is no such thing as an easy business. Selling on Amazon takes a lot of work, a lot of time. Some people do well, some people fail. But in reality, that's how everything works. If you want to become a DJ or a singer or a pro skater, not everybody is going to be professional. Not everybody's going to do well. Some people are going to do well, some people are going to do okay, and some people are going to fail. That's how it is with selling on Amazon. So in my opinion, if you want a yes or no answer, if you should start selling on Amazon, well, my opinion is yes. And here's why. We all know the numbers. Everybody shops online. I'm not going to post a ton of charts, but I'll post a couple of them while I'm talking about it. But Amazon has been growing year after year. More people are shopping online. Retail stores are closing. And do you think that Amazon is going to just go bankrupt in a year or two? No. I predict that Amazon is just going to continue to grow because Americans want to buy stuff online. They want their products quick, and they open up that platform for people like me and you to sell our products on. Now, you can't just list a random product on Amazon and expect it to sell. When you start selling on Amazon, you are going to be back on like page 10, 20. It really depends on how competitive the market is. Every product is going to be different, but your goal is to get to page 1. And to get to page 1, you have to rank your products. So you have to learn all of this stuff, not just jump on Amazon, launch your product, and then in a week or two, people say, oh, I'm not getting any sales. It's because you didn't do your right product research. You're not running ads. And a lot of people think they know what they're doing, but they really don't. So my best advice to a new Amazon seller is learn as much as you can before you jump in. Don't risk a ton of money. Start small, start as low as you can with the least amount of inventory that you have to buy. And also, you can learn from people like me or Helium 10, or you could take other programs if you want, but learning from someone who has done it and made mistakes and have talked to many other sellers that have done well, others have failed, you are going to limit risk and mistakes because now you know what to look out for. So you're going to see a lot of people in these Amazon FBA Facebook groups saying, oh, Amazon FBA doesn't work. I launched a product and it failed. And then you see what type of product they launched, and it was a cell phone case or a Pop-It toy. So really it comes down to how much that person learned. Just because that person failed doesn't mean that everybody who tries to start a business or to sell on Amazon is going to fail and have the same results as that one person. So of course, people are going to fail. People fail at everything in life. And then there's other people that do well and other people that do okay. So it really comes down to how much time and work you put into your own business, and that will determine how well your business does. Now, you might launch a product on Amazon and it might not even do good, and you thought it would do good. And then either you give up or you launch another product and learn from your mistakes. So everybody has different time frames, how much work and time they want to put into a business. So just because one product doesn't do as well doesn't mean you should just give up. Some people will give up because they have the wrong mindset. Other people will keep trying until it works. And if you don't have the right mindset, then I would not recommend getting into any business. So to change your mindset, let me recommend you something. Now, if you've seen like my lives or other videos that I've shown, I might have talked about this book, but this book right here, it's called Unf Yourself. This book is going to change how you think about yourself and how you think about how you could start a business. And it really makes you believe that you could do pretty much anything. So I didn't think I could start a business. And then after reading this book, I just went for it. I never had any plan Bs. I just said, I'm going to go for it. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to keep trying. And eventually it did work. Now, did it happen overnight? No. Any business is going to take time to build. Any profit you see is going to get reinvested into the business to grow. And that is how pretty much everything works. So if you have the right mindset, you believe that you can launch a product that is not already sold on Amazon. That's another thing. You don't want to sell the same exact thing as someone else. You want to add value to the market, add a product with your product, change the design, add different features, fix a problem, because a lot of Amazon sellers will fail if they sell the same exact thing that other sellers are already selling on Amazon. Another tip would be don't launch in a very competitive market. For example, people think they could sell their own skincare and they're competing against big brands like Neutrogena, and they're going to find out the hard way that it takes a lot of money and time to try to compete against big brands because those brands have a ton of money. And when they have a ton of money, they're going to run ads. And that means that your ads are going to cost a lot more than if you launched in a market with less competition and no big brands. So those are a couple reasons why people do fail. So hopefully it helps you out so you don't make those same mistakes. But like I said, if you're learning from someone like myself or Helium 10's program or whatever you want to learn from YouTube, then you have a better chance at being successful because you learned from other people's mistakes so you don't make those same exact mistakes, which could potentially shut your whole business down. So hopefully this video helped clarify how Amazon works and how people do well and others fail. There is no such thing as a get-rich-quick business, so if you think you're going to make a lot of money fast, there is no such thing. There's no program out there that's going to guarantee that you're going to become a millionaire and make tons of money quick. They are just marketing techniques that make you buy their program. Now, if you want to learn from a legit program that teaches you the whole process step by step, I have a complete step-by-step program that goes over the whole process, which will help limit risks and mistakes. So even today in 2022, I've had students recently launch and do very well, but hopefully this video will help you out. And if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, make sure to check out the links down below or check out my other YouTube videos. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.